Well, 12 months, 1 year ago, this is where I started. That's the day when I started YouTube. That's the day when I started investing on a new account. Look at this. I had an empty wallet, 500 euros in the account. Now watch this. Watch this. This is me from 1 month ago. 1 month. I had 4,000 in the account and I was down 500 euros. I had McDonald's, Meta, Pfizer, and the S&P EFT. That's what I had 1 month ago. Stock market was brutal, but I liked it. I bought. This is what we have now. I have 9,400 in the account. I'm up a little bit, but I was down 500 last month. And we bought 2 stocks. I bought a bit of Apple because they also pay dividends, and I like the way people are spending money on the Apple, let's say the Apple industry. They have an iPhone, an iPad. People have a MacBook, and it's all connected. They can't get out of the Apple ecosystem. So they will have to buy more Apple, and it's way too expensive. And I love that people are fighting over Apple versus Android. Actually, it's not a fight. Android is better for that price. Apple is good. Apple is really good, but not for that price. If you pay $1,000 for a phone, you don't even have to charge it. That's my opinion. But people like to have an Apple just for the name, an iPhone just for the name, and I like that. That's why I bought Apple. We're up. Can I see when I bought it? Probably, but it doesn't matter. I bought this like maybe 2 weeks ago, and we're up slightly, 2.5%. It's pretty good. We have 8 shares, a total of 1,400 euros. But then we bought more Pfizer. Pfizer was so down, and they pay a hefty dividend. So I took a little gamble and I put almost, I think, 3,500 extra in Pfizer. We now have 201 shares of Pfizer worth 4,264 euros. We're up, by the way, 3% on the day with Pfizer, which is big. I was going to make this video no matter what, so if Pfizer wasn't up like this, the video still would have been made. But Pfizer is up, and it's good to see, but I do it for the dividend. Pfizer pays me now I think 75 to 80 euros dividend each quarter, just by doing nothing. And I will see me buying some more Pfizer in the future because of their good dividend, and they are so low. They will get back up because their numbers are good. The only little concern about Pfizer is their debt. There are millions and millions in debt. The good thing about that, the Fed keeps cutting interest rates, which means Pfizer can refinance their debt, which means they can pay it back at a lower cost. Maybe that's why the stock is up. I don't know. I haven't looked into it, but I don't care. I'm in it for the long run. Pfizer can go down, Pfizer can go up. Same as all my other stocks. McDonald's was up like 25% at some point. It's now down like 20% from that point. We're still up 6%, yeah, but it's not good. If you look at McDonald's stock for the last 5 years, it's consistently going up with some bumps in the road. Like from its all-time high to now is 7% down. They have been down 11%. Why is that? There were concerns about the Ozempic thing. People, especially in America, are taking Ozempic like it's a candy, and it was concerning for McDonald's. Of course, McDonald's is still a great investment because they're still building a lot of buildings. And remember, McDonald's is a real estate company. They're not in the burger business. They're in the real estate business. Look where they have all their restaurants. They have all the best locations, and they build there. The burger is just a side hustle for them, actually. So McDonald's is still a good stock, and they also pay a little dividend. So maybe the next thing I will buy is McDonald's. One more thing. When I started this YouTube channel with this stock market portfolio, in the first video I did this. I did a calculation. This was my calculation. I will start with 500 euros, 500, and I will put 600 euros each month, or dollars, euros, you get it. It's the same. After 1 year, because these were my calculations based on my income and expenses and all that shit, this was my calculation. 600 a month. That's what I will put in this account for YouTube. After 1 year, 12 months, I will have 8,134 euros and 434 euros profit, which is insane. By the way, I don't have any profit at all. I'm just in the green, but I'm basically break even after a year. But if you look at the account, I'm at 9,300. Basically breaking even, but 9,300. I'm already up 1,000 and a bit in a year. Do you understand? And these calculations, I was going to be a millionaire in 28 years. In 28 years, I will have my first million. Now, these calculations are better. I recalculated everything, and now after 1 year, this is what I actually got. Actually, I'm doing even better because I don't have profit yet. So, but for now, let's look at this. This is realistic because this is what I have. Now, so I would have been a millionaire in 28 years. Now look at this. Now, only 27 years. So in 27 years, I will be a millionaire on this account. Of course. Maybe in 26. In 26 years, yeah, that's doable. I almost have a 10,000 euro account already after 1 year, and I'm not even profitable yet. Imagine if I were profitable. Imagine if Pfizer goes up like 20% in the coming year. It's so easy. So that was the little update. I will see you when the account is more than 10k, and let's celebrate that, shouldn't we? Well, this was the update. I hope not many people watched, so I can watch it back in peace. And I hope many of you will see this video when I'm already a millionaire, and then you ask, how did he do it? How did he do it? And then you see this video explaining you how to do it, but nobody watches. So I love it. I fucking love it. Please don't watch. Please don't watch the next video. No, don't. It's a little too easy, you guys. Okay, bye-bye.